Friends, last class we had discussed about meaning of sociology and importance and features and what was the relationship between sociology and other subject. So these are the matters we had discussed in last session. In this class we are discussing about who are the peoples they came and they given contribution about the field of sociology. Especially in this class we are discussing about the out of India. Means in ancient time, who are the peoples they given contribution about the subject of sociology. Especially now we are who are they discussing in this class, they all are came in European countries. So in that first one here they given, that is Auguste Comte. Is one of the important thinker in sociology. So when we are discussing about each one by one early socialist, we are discussing about the lifestyle and what was the contribution they are given and their particular books. So these are the matters we are discussing. So okay, in that first one here they given, Auguste Comte is one of the important revolutionary. Is an important socialist. He came in French. And next one here they given is the first social philosopher. He only first time give an idea about how we can study a sociology or what is sociology. So these are the matters. First time who is given the suggestion or who is given definition is Auguste Comte. So we given one of the important title for him, that is the father of sociology. We are given for this contribution, what was the contribution given in field of sociology. So on that purpose we are given the title, that is the father of sociology. So now we are understood who is the father of sociology, means Auguste Comte. And next one here they given, next one point, and he discussed very strongly about the sociology and he supported some of the philosophers. For example, here they given Herbert Spencer and Emile Durkheim, Max Weber and others. So these are the persons they given to importance about the study of sociology. So on that time, Auguste Comte also given support. Sociology is a separate or independent subject. Could not merge with any other part or any other subject. Because what we are discussing in any other subject or any other part, that one we are not discussing in sociology. Sociology is separate. This is pure science. So that way they started to argue. So in the time, there some of the members they given the support. Emile Durkheim or Max Weber and another person here they given Herbert Spencer. And Comte even first time given the word sociology. He only given the particular subject for he only given the name as a sociology. After that here they saying, and he delivered these are the word, means this one sociology, where they use this one in a public lecture of positive philosophy. See, organized by one of the important seminar on the time. Other seminar name is here they given for positive philosophy. On the time used first time the sociology. So now we want to know what was the full form of Auguste Comte and where he born and what was the work he done. So here they given first one, his full name is Isidore Marie Augustin Francisco Xavier Comte. This is the full name of Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte full name here they given Isidore Marie Auguste Francis Xavier Comte. And next one here they given is generally they all are calling as a Auguste Comte, and he was born in Metapiller of southern France, January 19, 1798, of a Catholic family, and here they stay. He studied in that particular school in only, and here the next one here they given he taught Elko Polytechnic College. Here they say after that he went in Elko Polytechnic College and he got some of the other degree education. So this is the lifestyle of Auguste Comte. Full name and very studied. So after that we want to know what was the books he written. Auguste Comte, what was the books he given or what was the contribution he given to our society. So first one here they given Positive Philosophy in 1839 and Positive Polity in 1851. Next one Human Religion 1857. Auguste Comte, these like of books he written in till September 5, 1857. After the in that day means September 5, 1857. Here they saying age of 59 years he died. So these are the important points about August Comte. But we want to know generally what was the points we want to understand about this in this August Comte. Generally we want to know is one of the important first social philosopher. He only first time used the word of sociology and we are given name as a father of sociology. And next one we want to know in where he born and what was the books he written. Positive philosophy or positive politics. And next one here they given human religion. So these are the important books written by Auguste Comte. So next one philosopher also came. He also came in European continent. So here they given that is the person name is Karl Marx. So he is one of the important sociology thinker or socialist. So what was the contribution he given or why we want to call as he is one of the important socialist? So here they given the answer because of he came in the 19th century and he implemented one of the revolutionary society philosophy implemented in our society. Means Karl Marx when he thought about the philosophy he is saying that if you want to gain any needs we want to do revolution or struggle. Without the struggle we cannot get any needable things. We want to do struggle. So this like of theory given by Karl Marx. So here they given some of the important points about the Karl Marx. Here they saying is a political revolutionary and here they saying sensitive writer also. Karl Marx is called as a class struggle theory. He is a founder of class struggle theory. Means on the time what was the classes is going on. For example capitalist and laborers. So this is one of the important problems when Karl Marx is came. So on that time one of the important problems is going on in our society that is class struggle theory means based on the class that also based on capitalist and laborers. So this is important class on that time. So who are they got more facility on that time is only capitalist. Who are they dominated or who are discriminated on that in society means laborers. So on that time Karl Marx said if you want to take any freedom or any facility, we want to do struggle. So that's why started by class struggle theory. So after that here they saying about the Karl Marx and here they saying he is one of the important direction given by how we can gain the facility in our society. That also only given the idea. So after that now we want to know where he born and what was the life history of Karl Marx. So here they given first one Karl Marx born in May 5, 1818 in the place of Trier. Trier is coming of Germany. He was born, the father name is here they given Heinrich Marx and mother name here they given Henrietta Pressburg and his wife name here they given Jenny and here they given Jenny van Westerpellen Hegel. And next one here they given and next one Hegel is one of the important philosopher. He only trained by Karl Marx. He was influenced by the theory of Hegel and he started. There are so many of philosophy he written or implemented based on influence of Hegel. So these are the important short information about Karl Marx. So after that here they given he got the PhD also. After that in 1841 and he started the career of law. Means he got the occupation job of lawyer. So after that here they saying what was the books he written by Karl Marx. So first one here they given Das Kapital in 1865 and next one the Holy Family and another one the German Ideology 1845 and the Manifesto of the Communist Party 1848 and next one some others books also written by Karl Marx. In that Das Kapital is one of the important books written by Karl Marx. And next one here they say Karl Marx died in March 14, 1853. So after that here they say but he died. But still the government or who are the revolutionaries they adapted by the philosophy of Karl Marx. That now also they influenced by the theory of Karl Marx. So that much a powerful theory or philosophy given by Karl Marx. So this is one of the important point about Karl Marx. Next one here they given third one person that is here they given Emily Durkheim. So he also one of the important socialist. And next one here they saying he came in the century of 19th century and he came in the country of France, and here they saying is one of the important socialist, and he given the science or sociology how we can study as a scientific way. How we can study sociology as a scientific way. So these are the matters about he given a more contribution. After that here they say, and while Auguste Comte called as a father of sociology, Durkheim is called as a father of the development of sociology. We already know Auguste Comte we are calling as the father of sociology, but Emily Durkheim we are given title as the father of the development. Father of the development of sociology, because of he only first time given idea or suggestion about how we can study sociology as a scientific way. How we can study sociology as step by step, or what was the matters we can discuss. How we can say sociology as a pure science. So these are the matters he given a idea. So this is one of the important point about Emily Durkheim. Now we want to know the life style or life history of Emily Durkheim. Here they given Durkheim was born in Epinal of Lorraine region of France, and here they given when he born means April 15th 1858, and is born in the family of Jews. After that here they say he completed at the École Normale Supérieure and started the career of professor. He studied in a school. After that he did the work of as a professor. So these are the important points about Emily Durkheim. In this point we want to understand one of the important points, that is we are given Emily Durkheim for one of the important name, that is the father of development of sociology, because of he only first time given a way how we can study sociology as a scientific route. So this one we want to understand. After that here they are saying what was the books written by Emily Durkheim. So first one here they say the division of labor in the society in 1893. After that suicide in the year of 1897, and the rule of sociological method in 1895. After that the elementary reforms of sociology life 1912, and some other books written by Emily Durkheim. So after he is saying he died in 59 age. So this is the important points about Emily Durkheim. So after that next one person, last person in early socialist, that is here they say Max Weber. So Max Weber also one of the important socialist. He also given contribution about the field of social science, and here they say he written his came in Germany, and in Germany is one of the important political thinker, because of he given so much of he written about the theory about the sociology, and he given the contribution also. And here they say Weber is interested about the law, economics, religion and art, history and socialist. So in that part about he given so much of contribution, because of he has so much of interest about these are the sector or these are the area. So he given in all the sector, and also Max Weber he given some of the suggestions or some of the contribution. Now we want to know where he born. Here they saying he was born in Herford in the West Germany on April 21, 1864, and came in a Protestant family. And here they saying Weber he joined in the Hindenburg University of Germany at the age of 18 years, and he got the PhD in law, and he started to teaching in a career of the University of Berlin University. He died in the age of 56. So these are the main life history of Max Weber. Born in Germany, and he got the PhD at the age of 18, where he got in the Hindenburg University. After that he went in Berlin University, and he started the career as a professor. He died in age of 56. So now we want to know what was the contribution he written. So here they are saying first one is the Protestant ethics and the spirit of capitalism in 1904, and next one he written the city, and another one the economic and the society. So these are the important books written by Emily Durkheim. So these are the four important members they came in early socialist. So when we are discussing about the four members, we want to know who are the four members and where they born and what was the books they written, and if they got any titles, this one points we want to remember. For example, August Comte, the father of sociology. So that like only we have discussed about another person, that is Emile Durkheim. We are given name as the father of development of sociology. So these are the extra points. This one leave it. We want to know where they born and what was the books they written. For example, August Comte, political revolutionary. Karl Marx, we want to know Das Kapital. So these like we want to discuss or refer in early socialist. So these are the important points. Next class we can discuss about some Indian socialists. They also came and they also given some of the contribution about in our society or in our sociology, the part of the sociology. And what was the contribution they given. So these are the matters we can discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.